अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इंडेक्स नंबर में ही दूसरा टॉपिक हमारा है सिंपल एवरेज और प्राइस रिलेटिव मेथड। So simple average or price relative method is the second method of gauging this constructing index number. Let's first discuss this define this simple average or price relative method. This simple average and price relative method under this method हम कैसे मेजर करते हैं दिस कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं इंडेक्स नंबर। सिंपली जो हमारा करंट प्राइस इन करंट ईयर है इसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं प्राइस इन बेस ईयर और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 100 से, तो उसका हमारा क्या निकलता है, हमारा निकलता है रिलेटिव इंडेक्स। सो सिंपली वी कैन से सिंपल एवरेज और प्राइस रिलेटिव मेथड इट इज द ratio of, simply we can say it is the percentage ratio of the price in current year to the price in the base year, and after that we aggregate the values. जब हम aggregate value करते हैं तो उसको divide करते हैं हम n से number of items. So just for example we'll write here. So simple average method में हम क्या करते हैं, we'll first of all, for suppose this is example here, I write an example here in order to save our time. This is construct index number for the year 2004 taking 1997 as base year by price relative method. यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल सेट की हुई है, एग्जाम्पल दी हुई है। एक कमोडिटी ये है, इसका प्राइस 1997 में 50 था और प्राइस 2004 में 70 था। तो इसको हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट इंडेक्स नंबर करना यहाँ पे करना है। तो लेकिन what we have to do, we have to take 1997 as base year. So जो हमारा 1997 है इसको हम base year लेंगे। तो जब हम base year इसको हम बोलते हैं, उसको वहां पे हम लिखते हैं P0, base year is denoted by 0, and this is P1, this is price in current year, this is as P1. So under this method what we do, हम पहले निकालेंगे relative index, रिलेटिव इंडेक्स किस के बराबर होता है, इट इज इक्वल टू P1 डिवाइड बाई P0 into 100. So P1 is the price in the current year divided by price in the base year multiply by 100. Why? Because it is calculated on the basis of percentage. Now this is P1 is 70 divided by P0 is 50 into 100. So 70 divided by 50 into 100 comes equal to 140. I have calculated it. So this is 140. Next is 60 divided by 40. Price in base year divided by price in current year multiplied by 100. So if we multiply it with 100, this comes equal to 150. And next is 90 divided by 80 into 100. 90 divided by 80 into 100 comes equal to 112.5. Next is 120 divided by 110. This is 120 divided by 110 multiply by 100 comes equal to 109. So this is 109. And next is this is 170 divided by 100 multiply by 100, it comes equal to this is 170. And next is 60, this 60 divided by 60 into 100 comes equal to simply 100. So this is a relative index. So what we have to do next, we have to find the sum, because I will write here formula. This under this is P01, this index number is equal to summation of P1 divided by P0 into 100 whole divided by n. So n is the number of items here. So what we have to do, we have to find the sum of P1. This is P1 divided by P0 into 100. We have to find out the sum here. So P1 divided by P0, it is sum comes equal to 781.5. So 781.5 comes here. This is the summation of P1 divided by P0 into 100. So it is sum comes equal to 781.5. Now what we need to do here, this is summation. So we will write summation of P1 divided by P0 into 100 comes equal to 781.5 divided by N. N is the number of commodities. How many commodities are there? You have to find out the commodities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 6 commodities here. And so P01, so this price index 781.5 divided by 6 comes equal to 130.25. So 130.25 is the price index. That means how much, as I have earlier told you, 130.25. I have earlier told you that base year is taken as 100. That means how much price has changed? It has changed from 1997 to 2000. It has changed from 100 to 130.25. So what is the inflation rate here? How much price level has risen? It rises 30.25%. So this is the relative index, and how to calculate, how to construct this by simple average or price related method. Thank you very much.